This week in AI, an open source image generator making waves, a revolutionary search agent with real-world capabilities, and an AI-powered classic game revival. Welcome to Traffic and 3 Weekly Roundup, where we give 3 news in 3 minutes.
This week, we have exciting developments in AI creativity, search technology, and gaming that are shaping the tech landscape.
Let's dive right in. First up, say hello to HiDream, a new open source image generator that's turning heads across the AI community. This 17 billion parameter model is benchmarking at state-of-the-art quality levels. What makes HiDream special? Released under the MIT license, it's completely free for both researchers and commercial users. The model excels at understanding prompts and generating impressive visuals in various styles. HiDream utilizes a mixture of experts' architecture to balance quality and speed, though generation times may vary depending on hardware. Early users are suggesting this could become the leading option in the open-source AI art ecosystem. Next, prepare to rethink how you search with GenSpark. GenSpark has launched as a super agent that's reimagining how we search for information online. Instead of traditional search results, it deploys specialized AI agents working together in real time. The system creates dynamic Spark pages, custom-generated summaries that consolidate information from across the web into comprehensive reports. Most remarkably, GenSpark can make actual phone calls to book restaurants and schedule appointments. This represents a potential shift in how we interact with online information.
And finally, Microsoft Research has released an AI version of Quake 2, the classic first-person shooter. This project is powered by Muse, Microsoft's family of AI world agents. The AI-generated game runs at 10 frames per second with 640 by 360 resolution, though it has limitations including short object permanence and basic controls. Microsoft's goal is to explore game preservation and cross-platform accessibility through AI-generated game models. While not yet offering a seamless gaming experience, the project marks significant progress in AI's role in gaming. Critics note that the game lags behind traditional hardware capabilities, but Microsoft emphasizes the research and preservation aspects.
That's it for this week's AI news, and remember, the AI of today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time.